Hello friends and my dear students, this is Kanita serving as head in the Department of Biochemistry, JJ College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Pudukkottai, Tamil Nadu, India. In this video, we are going to see about the structure and function of chloroplast. The term chloroplast was first described by Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Chloro means green and plast means living. Chloroplast consists of a pigment called chlorophyll which helps in imparting green color to the plants. These chloroplasts are seen only in case of plant cells, whereas they are absent in animal cells. And these chloroplasts are present in all the eukaryotic organisms that conduct photosynthesis. This is the structure of chloroplast. Chloroplasts are plano-convex lens-like structures having about 5 micrometer diameter and 2 to 3 micrometer thickness. The chloroplast comprises of double-layered envelope, a granular stroma or matrix, a lamellar system, the osmophilic granules called plastoglobuli, and its own unique special chloroplast DNA. The envelope consists of the outer boundary membrane, the inner boundary membrane, and the space which is present in between the outer boundary membrane and the inner boundary membrane known as intermembrane space. This intermembrane space is of around 10 nanometer. It has a unit membrane structure and this double membrane is of around 50 to 80 angstroms in thickness. The stroma fills most of the volume of the chloroplast. It's a gel fluid-like structure which surrounds the thylakoids. The stroma contains proteins, ribosomes and DNA within itself. It is the site of carbon dioxide fixation. Also, it is the site where the sugar, starch, fatty acids and proteins are being synthesized. The thylakoids are flattened and closed vesicles. Stacked like a neat pile, they form a grana, and each chloroplast consists of 40 to 60 thylakoids within itself. And this is a region where the light reaction takes place. The thylakoid membranes contain the chlorophyll and the quantosomes which help in trapping the light energy, thereby helping in carrying out the light reaction. Chloroplast consists of its own unique DNA called the chloroplast DNA. It is also known as plastid DNA. This chloroplast DNA is circular, double-stranded, having a size of around 120 to 217 kilobase pairs. It contains around 100 genes which synthesizes proteins which are required by the chloroplast. The chloroplast DNA consists of regions called large single copy and small single copy regions and also inverted repeats. Few of the plants like conifers and a group of legumes lacks these inverted repeats. This is the structure of chloroplast DNA. Here we could see that the chloroplast is of double-stranded circular DNA having the large single copy region, small single copy region, inverter repeat A and inverter repeat B. The functions of chloroplast are mainly classified into two, namely photosynthesis and photorespiration. Photosynthesis involves light reaction which occurs in thylakoid membrane, whereas dark reaction takes place in stroma. The chloroplasts are almost homogeneously distributed in cytoplasm. In algae, we could see that only one chloroplast is present, whereas in case of higher plants, around 20 to 40 chloroplasts could be seen. These chloroplasts gets increased by division whenever their number are inadequate, and whenever their numbers are too excess, they undergo degeneration process. These chloroplasts are semi-autonomous organelle because they have their own DNA, RNA, ribosomes and protein synthesizing machinery. These chloroplasts never originate in a de novo mode. They multiply by fission, leading to the formation of daughter organelles. During the development, initially proplastids are formed and these proplastids later develop into chloroplast. I hope you might have got a clear idea regarding the structure and function of chloroplast from this video. Thank you.